So in this video, we want to take a look how to create a new text field. So first of all, we are here in the back dashboard and we have to click the button Create Field. I will do so. And now we can see that already the simple text box is pre-selected. Now we have to click the next button and the Create page will open up. So here on the right side, we can see already the preview of the text field. And here on the left side, we can see the settings we can make. First of all, I would always recommend to enter a unique field name, let's say textfield1. We can decide related to the file type if we want to have a single line or a multi-line. In my case, we go with the multi-line. We can define the heading. Hello, this heading. We can change also the size of the labels, change the color. We go further with the placeholder text. Please enter a text. We can also change here the size and the color of it, but in my case, we will keep it like it is. With further options for the styling, we can make it full size. You can make the corners a little bit rounded. We can also go now further to the advanced options. Here we have different options like we can make the field required. We can define the error message. We can set a tooltip and can write some tooltip input text. We can define what kind of input is allowed. Let's say only text. We can define how many characters are limited. So in my case, let's go with the following: minimum 10, maximum 50 characters. We can add a price add-on. Then we create one add-on. 12, that means as soon as something is entered, there will be an upcharge of €12 or dollar, whatever currency you have in your store. You can enable and disable right to left, but in my case, it will keep it like it is. You have the option to add translations. Like say we want to have a French translation. We can click next. That can write here an individual translation in the corresponding language. In my case, we can just skip that. And here in the end, we will find the targeting, which is always important. We can define if you want to show it for all products, specific variants, or specific collections. For example, if we go with this product, we can then click choose product. And here we see the resource figure. It will list all of the products which we have in this store. In my case, I just have one, so I can click on that, click select. And in the final step, we don't have to forget to click the save button. Whenever it is successfully saved, then you see here that this field is created also with the price add-on tag. If we now go to the respective product page and refresh it, we can see that our text field which we created will show up here in this position.